Hello guys! The topic of today's video is AK-74M upgrade, and in general I will speak about upgrades for AKs with longer barrels. So it works not only for 74M but for AKM, for 103, for other rifles based on AK with a longer barrel of 415 millimeters. Previously on this channel there was a video about AKs with shorter barrel on an example of AK-105. I will leave a link in the description, and today I will focus my attention on handguards that do not fit on AK-105 because they are too long for it. Spot 4 kit, leader kit, I will show you differences. I will install leader kit on this AK-74M and I will install other parts in a new color, golden khaki. It was introduced in the New Year's video and it is very popular. I will show some parts that were not demonstrated in this color previously, and I will show you how the rifle looks in this color, because I've shown you the color but I haven't shown the whole setup in golden khaki. That needs to be fixed. My name is Anastasia. I will start with handguards. When I was speaking about 105, I told you that there are shorter options and longer options. They are compatible with 74M as well. Shorter options are B10M, B10L and B10U. Longer options are B30, B30U and Sport 1 kit. And for 74M there are also extra long options, leader kit and Sport 4 kit. Leader kit is up to the front side, Sport 4 is a little bit shorter. I will place them next to each other and you will see the difference yourself. Leader, Sport 4 and also Sport 1 for comparison. They have one element that is in all of those kits, that is B10L handguard. So I will start with installation of this element. It should enter the receiver very tightly, so I will hammer it in. It is not acceptable to file it. The lever on handguard retainer is closed. Now we will compare different kits. I will start with leader kit that I'm going to install on 74M. It includes B10L handguard, also it has upper handguard, additional attachment on the bottom. I'm not installing them right now, I will do that a little bit later. Now I'm demonstrating sizes in comparison with each other. This is leader kit. Sport 4 kit is shorter. It also consists of B10L handguard. On the top there is an upper handguard which is shorter than in leader kit, and in the front bottom part additional attachment DL2. One more thing that I would like to point out is that Sport 4 kit as well as Sport 1 kit have lowered top Picatinny rail on the top. And on sizes and on the bottom they have basis rails. Leader kit also has basis rails on sides, on the bottom, and also a basis rail on the top. If you need to create a Picatinny rail on basis rail, you can do it in any place you like on basis rail by rails B2, B2L, B2M, B2U or B2 leader. Sport 1 kit is shorter than Sport 4. It also consists of B10L handguard, B31L upper handguard and DL1 additional attachment. for those who like measuring sizes, here are the sizes. One more thing that I would like to point out, in the video about AKs with shorter barrel, I told that Sport 1 is the same length as B30 and B30U handguards, and I recommended to use B31S top handguard with B30 or B30U handguards. For longer barrel, it can be replaced by B31 top handguard. It has a full-size top Picatinny rail, and the difference between B31 and B31S is that B31S has shorter top Picatinny rail to fit on a shorter barrel. So B31 is not compatible with AKs with shorter barrel, and B31 is compatible with AKs with longer barrel. So it also can be installed on AK-74M, either instead of B31L rail from Sport 1 kit or on B30 or B30U handguards. I continue installation of leader kit. I installed leader kit on 74M. There has already been a video on this channel with detailed step-by-step explanation of how to install it. I will leave a link in the description. Now I will cover a couple of interesting moments about the kit. First of all, one of its main features, besides being so gorgeous and ergonomic, is that it was designed to integrate an electronic block inside rails. So in the New Year's video I demonstrated pierced leader illumination complex, which is installed here. We keep working on it. Since then we made a couple of improvements, so soon I will show it again. Next question came from the users of TG2. TG2 is a Russian civilian smoothbore rifle based on AK. They asked, can I install leader kit on my TG2? And the thing about TG2 is that it has no cleaning rod, therefore no bayonet lock. So if I broaden this question on other countries, the question will be, can I install leader kit on my AK that has no bayonet locks? And the answer will be both yes and no. So technically yes, you can. The question is that you won't be able to install this hook that mounts to the bayonet lock. And it serves for reliability, because long handguards up to the front sight, all of them except for leader kit, have one problem. The devices on them lose zero, because if the user does like this, it moves and they lose zero. And it does not happen on leader kit because we have one more mounting point. So if you do not have bayonet locks, but you do not plan to install any aiming devices in the front part, that is absolutely okay. Yes, you can use leader kit. But if you plan to install laser here, better use Sport 4 kit. If we speak about placing a red dot, for example, here, that is absolutely fine. So this part is still very, very hard even without the hook. And also on different rifles, hook can look in different directions actually. So this is not the only way it can be installed. Now I will install the buttstock. I choose a sling mount, whether one point or a circular one. I will choose a circular one and screw out the one point. Buttstock is installed. Now I'm installing rear pistol grip. I will install AK-9. Now we will install B33 dust cover. Now it's time to reassemble the recoil mechanism. I have already done this. I will leave a link in the description on a video about B33 dust cover where I show it in details how to do it easily, even in a white dress. It is easier to install the charging handle when the bolt carrier is taken off from the rifle, so I'll install RP1 charging handle now, and then I will speak about shadow device. RP1 charging handle is securely installed. Final element in golden khaki color for today is Shadow 2 muzzle device. We previously demonstrated it in black color. Now we decided to Gucci it up to maximum fanciness level and made a golden edition. I will use adapter with a thread of 24 by 1.5. It has special design which is made to eliminate wobble. I should unscrew a nut from here, then I'll fold the stock. I will screw it on here. It should be fixed, but it should not push the front side. Done. Now I take a nut, I screw it here on maximum length, and I hit it here in those 4 dots. I won't hit it today, but after it is hit, it takes the shape of the rifle and it is adjusted for this exact rifle. So screw it on, hit, then I can take it off and install on the muzzle device. Then tighten this screw with the hex key and install on the rifle. Done. Final thing to do. And now you can enjoy the beauty. AK-74M in golden khaki Zenitco setup. From one side, from another side, pure beauty. The only thing missed are aiming devices, and they will be placed here very soon. Pierced leader electronic block and Vzor 1 red dot. Next video on the channel will be about Vzor 1 red dot, so stay with us and follow the channel. And the products that I demonstrated today can be ordered in our online store en.zenitco.ru or in partner stores. See the list of official partners on en.zenitco.ru in partners section. Press the like button if you like the video. Write your questions in the comment section and stay with us. Vzor 1 red dot is coming very, very soon.